What is good, YouTube, man? It's the 𝐒𝐲𝐾 back here with another video, and today, man, we got another mod for y'all boy, man. We got another mod, man, so we gotta help out the scat at the end of the day, and we feel like, you know, this is one of the mods that you should have been get. Like, this should be your first or second mod for real, but you know, hey, man, but you gotta support your engine at the end of the day. You gotta take care of your car. If you lacking something on your car, then it's not gonna take care of you, man. So you gotta take care of your car, and your car will take care of you. Point blank simple, man. So yeah, man, we're going with a cold air intake. You feel what I'm saying? Let me know in the comment section of what kind of air intake y'all think we're going with. And you know, so we got the oil catch can, so that should be a little hint right there for y'all boy. We got the oil catch can, and you know, we gotta go with the air intake. You know, we gotta make sure the engine holding up. You feel what I'm saying? So yeah, man, y'all boy, let us know in the comment section of what kind of air intake we went with, and let's get right. So my boy Jay, he gonna give y'all a rundown what all came in the box. So I'm gonna let him take the, you know.
Alright, man. Hey, man. Save, man. Alright, so we're gonna come in the box of
this the air intake we went with, man. JLT, man. You know what I'm saying? So what all come in the box of the JLT air intake when you order it is a air intake filter. This 2 clamps, one big and one small. We're gonna show y'all how to install those later in the video. Air intake tube and the air intake box, man. So these are the tools y'all will need to install this air intake, man. So we went with a 1/4 ratchet and a 5/16 socket, man. I don't know if y'all can see it on there, but yep, that's a 5/16. It's the glare that's messing it up. And another tool you'll need is a flathead screwdriver, man. And this is all you need, man. Alright, so yeah, man. So my boy Jay already let y'all know what kind of tools y'all will be needing to install this cold air intake. So yeah, man, we're just gonna tag y'all right along, man. So y'all boy,
stay tuned, man.
let's get at it.
First of all, you're gonna take off this clamp, so the flathead screwdriver. So we're gonna take off this screw right here. No, this screw right here by the sensor. It's down here. Gonna unloosen it. Alright, so then you're gonna get the 5/16 socket, right? And take this part off. Make sure you're going the right way. Yeah, I think I had it. Alright. It's gonna break loose. That's how you know it's out. So this what came out. Place it right there. Alright, so I just tell y'all to unloosen this and take this out, so y'all can just take this whole thing out. But another step is y'all gonna take out unplug the sensor. Plug and play right there, sensor. Alright, and then you're gonna lift this up. No, you gotta take your oil cap off. If you don't take that off, then you're not lifting that up. Alright, place that down. Boom. Put that to the side a little bit. Or yeah. And you're just gonna remove this hose right here, man. The AC line. That's all you're gonna do. So boom, take that off. And after you unplug that, should come out now. Just pull towards you and just lift up. And it should come out at one piece. So don't throw this away yet, man. Y'all will still need this, man. Alright, first of all, you're gonna take out this sensor out the old one, because you're gonna need it for the new air intake. So I'm gonna place this over here right quick. Boom. And another piece is this right here. This little rubber piece at the bottom. So you're just gonna turn it and it should come off. And I'm gonna show you how to put this back on right now so you won't forget. So this piece go right here in this little hole, you'll see. So you just make sure that's in there, man. Alright, man, and another thing you will need is the hose to put on the other one too. So you just side to side, take it off, and boom, you got it, man. So all you will need for the new air intake is the hose and the sensor itself. So we're gonna show you how to install it, man. Alright, so we're gonna put the box in first, the air intake box. Alright, man, you gotta make sure this thing lines up. I always know it's lining up because this right here match up to that, so it gonna go in the hole. That's where the screw gonna go at. So let's see. So this gonna be, it's gonna try to challenge you real quick. Fast. So you're gonna bring it in over here and slide it in, and it should fall in place, man. Boom. So we can put that on. So how should we do this? All right. So this the big clamp, and this the small clamp. Y'all can see the difference, man. So the big clamp gonna go to the bottom. Big clamp gonna go to the bottom. Make sure it's like kind of on there, not kind of, but on there, all the way around. And the small clamp gonna go on top. So boom. Alright, then you're gonna install it on the air intake tube and just twist on. You don't twist on, but you just gotta press on. But make sure it's on all the way against that line. Then you'll know. Alright, boom. Have it like that. Alright, so we're gonna install this. Alright, boom. Make sure it's flush all the way through. Boom. Alright, and then we're gonna tighten it with the flathead. Make sure it's tight, man, so it won't come off. And let's see, should we tighten these? Alright, and so this is where the sensor gonna come in place at, right? So the sensor gonna go in that little hole right there. If y'all forget this, man, then I think a warning gonna pop up on your dash or something like that. So make sure that's in. You're gonna feel it click in, right? So boom, that's sticking out. And then now your AC hose. Alright, I think you gotta go in the car to put this in to see how it goes on. Alright, so that's how it's gonna look when it's built. Alright. Alright, so you're gonna slide it on. And I like having the flathead part towards me, so if I need to access it later, I can. Boom. So once you got it all the way on, so you're gonna push on it, make sure it's all the way through, and tighten it. Boom. And I tighten up the second clamp. Alright, boom. Alright, so that's how it looks when it's installed. Alright, so you can grab your sensor plug, put it through the hole right here where my finger at. So you can put it through that hole, come through, boom, and then you just gonna plug it in. Plug and play. Alright, Alright, so we got that. Alright, so let's do our AC line now. So the thing is at the bottom now. So I'm alright, so the AC part gonna face the JLT and then you're just gonna slide it on. Hey, but make sure y'all car is not hot when y'all doing this, cause this thing will burn y'all, man. This thing will. And you gonna slide the other end on. Boom. Alright, that's it. So we're gonna cover this back up. Alright, you can put your oil cap back on, cause you don't wanna drive without screwing that back on. Have a mess. Alright, let's see. And the screw for the air box. Make sure y'all put this back on, man. So get it started first. Alright, so get into the end. Give it one more turn, half turn, boom. Alright, so I guess that's it, man. Alright, so we're gonna cut it on and give y'all how it sounds with the JLT air intake, man.
Alright, man, so he gonna show y'all. He gonna cut it on the car and show y'all about how it sounds, man. So I ain't gonna lie, man. That thing is sucking a lot of air. I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. So this is a well worth it mod, man. Y'all boys, let us know in the comment section if y'all think this was a good mod for the Scat, and let us know any other mods that y'all want us to do to the SCATPACK, man. So yeah, man, this is a well worth it mod. It sucks so much air. If y'all, I'm gonna drop the before and after clip before we install the JLT air intake right here. And yeah, so y'all can see that it made a huge difference in the sound and throughout the whole exhaust, man. Yeah, let us know in the comment section if y'all want more videos like this, man. Let's get this video to at least 30 plus likes, man, y'all boy.
30, y'all boy can do it, man.
We almost to that 1K mark, man. So y'all boy, let your family, friends, and everybody know, man. This channel got so much potential, and we wouldn't be here without you guys, man. Let's get this junk to 1K likes and 1K subscribers and 30 plus likes, man. It's the Hemi Twins, and we out.